Hey guys!
Hey!
We're at the airport in Paris and we're going to board a flight to Norway now because we're going on a crazy Arctic adventure and
Something that we haven't experienced before,
ever
so we are
before.
super excited.
And I think it's one of those things that people save up a lot for, they plan it a lot, so we wanted to take you along so you know exactly what to expect.
Yeah.
And we don't know what to expect either, so we'll see how it goes and we'll take you along.
So we made it to Longyearbyen. Our cruise starts from here, but we have a couple of hours before it sails, so we thought we'll just take a walk around this little town. There are just a handful of houses, beautiful colored houses surrounded by snow-capped mountains.
We just checked in and I thought I'd give you a little room tour. Our luggage is already here. This man
And so is this man.
has made himself very comfortable.
I'm so tired, you know, but welcome to Mikasa.
That's our bed. And then, of course, we're not sailing yet, but that's the view. Here's our balcony. There are these two little chairs, and that's the view right now. Some champagne. So here's the thing, I mean, I feel like when you're going to really remote places, luxuries are even more welcome, because when you're handling the crazy weather and crazy landscapes, then it's nice to have luxuries, you know. Creature comforts in remote areas are the best. And then
also a coffee machine always helps, so I'm a happy bunny.
there's a
I'm
coffee
going
machine.
to make a coffee for
And
me. Do
then-
you want one, Sabi?
Something special. Yeah, I'll have one, please. I'll have a latte.
Okay.
So, the coffee machine, and then there are these little surprises in the room, some notepads, and let's quickly see what this is. Will you help me with this?
Okay.
Let's open this one. We also had a note welcoming us with our names and
Oh,
everything.
that's so nice.
And let's see what this is.
Well done. The cube. Oh,
What
personalized.
It's the first time that we've been on a cruise ship, and it's been like this. We've been on plenty of them, but I would say that this is the most thoughtful and luxurious one so far. That is the bathroom. Hello. And let's see the toiletries. Hermes toiletries. Nice. And that's our cabin from here. Alright, we're gonna rest and we'll catch up with you in a little while. Just getting ready to head on to the Zodiac Boats. Are you all set? You're supposed to wear a life vest, a parka, skiing trousers, snow boots, the works. And
Yeah, all
this
set.
is the view, and that's our boat right there. This is our first landing and I have to say I was a little nervous. We came on the boat that's right behind me, and that's our ship right there as well. But it's been beautiful. The only complaint I have is I'm wearing too many clothes. I'm feeling too warm because I overdressed. I'm wearing I think 5 layers and we needed just 2.
Back from the excursion, that was amazing. We had a great time outdoors, but now we've cleaned up
Yes.
for the gala night. Savi look amazing.
Thank you.
You can say that about me
You
as well.
look amazing. You
Always.
always look amazing. It
Anyway.
took longer to get dressed than I did.
Always. I mean,
That's
that's not a
always the
joke,
case
but
in our
that's
house.
always the case.
Yeah.
But anyway, gala night is our favorite because
Yes.
lots of champagne, everyone's
love it.
happy,
Yeah.
good music,
Yeah.
great food. So we can't wait to go there and take you along. So come.
Come along. It's day 3 today.
So this is how our day usually goes. We wake up, have breakfast to the most amazing view. It's a new view every day.
True.
And then we get ready for a Zodiac cruise. So that's like a little boat, and we just go around and go close to a glacier or just icebergs, see some birds. The other day we saw a polar bear, and then we come back, have lunch, rest a little if needed.
A quick nap.
Although with me it's not possible because I'm always just trying to capture everything. It's
He's
so
always
beautiful.
the restless one, but I always try and catch a quick nap in the afternoon.
Then in the afternoon there's another excursion, usually where you get off the Zodiac and you get wet, but you have boots, so that's not a problem. And today we are going for a hike which will take us to the edge of a glacier. So let's see how that goes. We are going to take you along. Oh no, wait.
You forgot how we end the day with the most sumptuous dinners every single day.
Every day we come back, have some nice hot beverage, and then we get ready for dinner, which is an elaborate affair. We have had some amazing food so far.
Midnight. Usually goes till midnight because
We've made some.
around.
We've made some good friends on the cruise. So beautiful evenings and beautiful days. So right now let's take you along for one of the excursions.
We're on the Zodiac now and having a good time. It's a very calm day, so it's a good
Savi's
time.
happy.
Yeah, I hate choppy waters. This has to be one of my favorite stops. The glacier is so gorgeous.
Stunning. So we just got off here and now we will walk back towards the glacier and get some photos there. Some beautiful wildlife here. This is what it looks like. Look at this.
So beautiful. And because I'm wearing waterproof shoes, I can go all the way. Okay, so we've been here for a couple of days now, and also we've been trying to post as often as we can on our Instagram. We've been getting so many questions about this Arctic cruise, so I thought I'd sit down and answer a couple of the most popular ones. The first one was, can kids come on cruises on this Arctic cruise? And yes, they can. In fact, the kids are the ones who are having the best time, especially the teenagers on excursions. They are loving it to bits, so kids can come. And the second thing was about packing. As a rule of thumb, I'd say get a few formal clothes, a few casual clothes, some warm clothes, jumpers, caps, gloves and things like that, and also one really warm jacket. Even though you do get a free parka on the cruise ship and you also get boots, so don't worry about snow boots, but I would still suggest carrying an additional warm jacket just in case, because the weather turns really quickly. But if you want, we also have a detailed breakdown of everything that you need to pack for a cruise ship on our website. So these were the two most popular questions, and then there was also a question about vegetarian and vegan food, and of course there's a lot of vegetarian and vegan food on board, and there is also an Indian chef cooking the most exquisite 3-course meals. In fact, we're going for a cooking class right now with him, so I'm looking forward to what Chef Vicky creates. But there is loads and loads of food options, and they can always tailor it to your preference. So I hope that answers all your questions. Now let's get on with the adventure.
Hey, good morning guys. I just woke up. I think Savi's already left for the gym, or I don't know, but it's 7:30 a.m. Not that it matters because there's like proper daylight for 24 hours here. First few nights can be disturbing because it never gets dark, but now that we are used to it, we're actually loving it. I just wanted to show you what we wake up to, so let me turn the camera and show you that. Right, so that's our balcony, and this is what we wake up to pretty much every morning. I mean, it varies, but it's always this stunning. So the plan for today is to go for a Zodiac cruise, I think. So you just go on this little boat, you don't get off, you see some beautiful glaciers and sights, and you come back, and then in the evening I think we'll go for a proper landing, and that's where you see some wildlife. I think today we are going to see walrus, so super kicked about that. Stay tuned and let us take you there. And when you come back, you have to clean your shoes before you go on the deck. Good one, Avik. Some more. Right, let's do a quick ship tour. So this is where all the cabins are. There's a nice lounge right behind me, which is the front of the ship. You can go there, have a drink. There's live music, beautiful views. And I'm going to take you to my favorite part here on board. That's we'll see. But anyway, there's a spa downstairs and a gym with probably one of the best views for a gym ever. And this that we are walking through is one of the restaurants. You can have your buffet here. Downstairs in the restaurant you can have a la carte. So this is my favorite spot here. It's a nice pool, it's heated, and look at this view. So Savi and I have come here a lot, especially late night after dinner. And there's a bar up there which is open when the weather is nice. It's closed now. I think everyone's getting ready for dinner. So yeah, it's a small and intimate ship, but a beautiful ship nonetheless.
Today we docked at a port where there are no Zodiacs, so we're not taking any boats. It's one of the last ports in this cruise, but we could actually walk out of the ship. And right now we're going to the northernmost post office in the world. Let's go!
It's the northernmost settlement in the world. It's a small town. It's mainly for research.
Yeah.
What is there, Savi?
It's just a cute little house. I was wondering if it's an Airbnb or something, but how would tourists get here? I think you need to be on a ship or something. And just like that, this turned out to be one of our best trips ever. All of us are always in a rush to get to places and do things, but being so close to nature near the North Pole reminded us to be truly grateful for the things that matter. Stolen cuddles, Mother Nature, good food, new friends, smiles, and memories that will last a lifetime. This is why I love travel.
Yeah.